Assalamu alaikum. We have uploaded our ESP, our workweek program into our ESP, and while uploading we encountered some problems, some errors, because there is a change in pin arrangements, and also the encoder for calculating the speed. The one we have, the physical one we have, can only sense speed without direction, while the one we have in our program, workweek, is programmed for both speed and direction. The reason why we cannot sense direction is because the sensor we found available can only calculate speed and cannot calculate for direction, because it only has a pair of transmitter receiver that only measures or send pulses when the motor rotates. So there is no extra LED pair to count for direction. So we have on this, we have a push button here. The black push button here is to trigger an interrupt. Whenever we press it, it will trigger an interrupt to stop whatever the program is doing and count for speed. Count for both speed of the motor A and motor B. And we have a potentiometer to control the speed of the motor. And we also have a toggle switch. If we push forward, it should move the motor forward. If we push backward, it should rotate the motor backward. It serves like a push button. Let's test it. So now it's rotating backwards. Stop. I push to the other side. It's rotating forward now. And to calculate the speed, I will just press this push button. Yes, it has started showing position there.
Yes, 261.
Yeah, for motor A and motor B, it shows 258 or 255 RPM. The other one is also 230 RPM. There's difference. So we will just reduce the speed and see whether it will reduce. Yeah?
Let's see this.
The RPM reduced on the program, right?
96. Yes.
And also physically the speed reduce. Let's reduce it to the lower. So we have
the cycles 145, and then we see that RPM is reduced 90.
Yeah, but there seems to be like a limit there.
Yeah.
It drops to 56, 46 pulses.
But this cycle is
yeah. So back to higher. So yeah, it all works for both forward and backward. But what we observe is there is a difference between the speed of the two motors. It may be because of the limitation of the power supply we have. It's not a sufficient power supply. It's not regulated. So that's what we have. So hopefully in the next video, when we implement the PID, the program should be able to control the speed so that both the motor will be running at the same speed. We've also tried to see for the serial plotter. We got some observation where if we control the potentiometer as the duty cycle, we can be able to see it on the serial display on the plotter. If we reduce it, the plot reduces and it increases, we also observe something. And also when we energize the motor, we have a reading there for forward and backward. Yeah. So this is the progress we've made so far. On the next video, we are going to try the other part of the assignment, that is implementing control, PID control, to try to have a same speed for both motors. Assalamu alaikum.